Hello everyone, this is Jan, and this is my little daily indie game dev update for Thursday, the 4th of June 2026. Man, what a difference the AirPods microphone made yesterday. I don't remember it being that bad. I think it may have been because a fan was on and like the noise cancelling on the microphone was on, that it was so choppy, but this one, the Black Shark V2 Bluetooth, this is where it's at. We've got a little guy not doing too well now that he's lost the ability to swim since yesterday, but we still need to add pain. We still need to make it hurt and deplete this without the flickering, possibly, definitely without the knockback like on land where you get thrown back a bit. Simply needs to deplete and make a noise. So where were we? We had found out after like an hour or so that in the Cobra Code course we had set up a thing with a parent and I couldn't find it and it was all very embarrassing. Started looking in the health component right over here. The health component definitely has a function which is called decrease health, but it didn't do anything. Why, I don't know. So now we created a hurt player right here. And this one definitely does something. And this something is being called on the tick for now. Let's see. When you're in the water, wait, I actually need to set this up correctly, don't I? When you are in the water, and that is true, when you're out of the water, can you swim? No. Okay, we know this works, so that deletes. So we do once, because otherwise it's gonna hit 60 times a second. So we're gonna do this once, and wait half a second. We're gonna hurt the player, wait half a second, loop back, reset it, and then the tick will fire it off again, once. And that's how it works. So now we need to go figure this out. And I hope I can keep this video a little short, because a nice short daily video is good. Let's see. This is pretty much what we need to cast to. Alright, I think the easiest is we just copy and paste. Like that. Oh, he gets hit. I hear the sound, it stops, and I can't move, and he doesn't lose hearts. Okay, something is working and something is not working. It worked. So the only thing that's not working is the GameOver screen is not happening. Update current health, handle hit extended, and we stopped calling this one. That's the one. So now we can stunned. Okay, so it does the same thing here. Okay, I think this is fine for now, but we're gonna have to sit down and think about this with like different animations. We should at least put in a different frame for having died in the water. But this is pretty good. It's pretty good progress for now. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Time for part 2. I've split up what is happening here. You're on land, get hit and flicker, then go to defeated, then go to game over. We have the check here for if you're in the water and you cannot swim, do this. Though if you're in the water and you can swim, probably a variation on this. So now we need to have a different jump node. That is what needs to be created. So let's go into time lapse. For my print screen, I was so enamored with the animation. No. Everything becomes a little too complex. Alright, let's see. Should have just upped the damage, shouldn't I? 3, 4. Doesn't say anywhere. I'm gonna have to figure this out in my own time.